In this video, you're gonna learn how to clear the cache with um, Chrome. Here at the top right, click this button, the three dots. Then go to More Tools, then Clear Browsing Data, or you can see that you can do Control Shift Del if you want without going to this menu. And once here, okay, this is the most important one that you can do: cookies and other site data. Cache images usually is okay to leave if you want, but again, you can clean that too. The download the history, browsing that history, always good. And well, this one, the password you can leave, I mean, if you want to, obviously, but this is the process. Okay, so gonna clear the data here, and that's it. That's pretty much what you do to clean up your browser and make it even faster and more appropriate for the program. So, and then you close the browser, reopen it, and you are all set to use the program again if you have any memory issues.